Jalen wants her water back.
Poor thing.
Can you tilt it up so she can get some?
Yeah. Let me test it.
He shared his popsicle with her this morning. Excuse me, or for lunch at least. Tilt it up. Tilt it up high. There you go. There you go. Good job. Thank you. Say thank you, Jalen.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. I love you.
There you go. Thank you. So helpful.
I want you to sit